Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Geometry Dash on Roblox. Many creators have made games inspired by the original, offering a similar rhythm-based platformer experience. These Roblox versions often feature customizable icons and challenging levels with unique obstacles and captivating music. The best part is you can enjoy these games across various platforms, including your personal computer, mobile device, or even a console. To start your Geometry Dash adventure on Roblox, first open the Roblox application or visit the website. Use the search bar at the top and type in Geometry Dash or Poly Dash to find relevant games. It's a good idea to look for games with high ratings and a large number of active players to ensure a fun and well-developed experience. Once you've chosen a game, simply click on its icon and then the prominent play button to join a server and begin your rhythmic journey. Mastering Geometry Dash on Roblox revolves around precise timing. Your main goal is to jump and move your icon to avoid obstacles, all while staying in rhythm with the background music. For players on a personal computer, the most common control for jumping is either the left mouse button or the spacebar. Some Roblox adaptations might also include extra controls, such as pressing the Q key to quickly exit a level or the Tab key to pause the game and take a brief break. To truly succeed and have fun, begin with easier levels to grasp the game's mechanics and timing. If available, use practice mode to set checkpoints, allowing you to master challenging sections without restarting entirely. Always focus on the music's rhythm, as it often cues your jumps and movements, helping you anticipate obstacles. Remember to take short breaks if you feel frustrated. This helps maintain a positive mindset and ensures you continue to enjoy the exciting world of Geometry Dash on Roblox.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.